So I thought I'd try to do like a little vloggy vlog, you know what I'm saying? I am in the process of like making this room like feel like mine again. So I'll just give you like a little rundown. I got here last night and the room was empty. Okay, yeah, so this is my room and that goes out to a little balcony. I came in here and all that was in here was just like this, which I need to do this. This is not cute. So we're gonna fix her up. And then my big bed we took to my apartment in Texas. So I have this like tiny one here. I feel so weird sleeping in a little bed again. But what I'm gonna do, I need to clean all my pillows and stuff, and I'm gonna put them up there and make it look like a little day bed, so during the day it'll look like a little couch vibe. This I got yesterday and I'm so obsessed with it. If you follow me on Snapchat, you already saw it, but it's so beautiful. I'm just gonna use it for like my makeup vanity. I'm in my workout clothes, so I'm about to go to the gym. Ew, I look so... I am not a vlogger. I didn't even like pull out my camera at the gym, so you know, but here I am. I'm checking back in now. I'm going to remember to check in today from here on out. I hope. Anyways, I left the gym and I got my shake and tea. Oh my god, this is what I missed. Here you go. Look how pretty. This is what I miss so much about my hometown, because where I live in Texas, we don't have this, or you have to drive really far for it. So it's just Herbalife, and I got the Snickers shake. I could already tell while living here I'm going to spend all my money on this. And then I got Tropicana tea. Let's try it. It's very orangey. We'll see you guys inside. I did my makeup. This lighting is not good. Look how much of a mess this is. It was so cute and now it's destroyed. Hi baby, come on. So after everything, I decided to go up to my room and take my makeup off and relax and just get ready for bed. Obviously I have to light a candle for the vibes. And I got so many mosquito bites just sitting by the fire, so I put alcohol on those, of course, and just got ready for bed. I always have to give my Izzy some cuddles at nighttime because I work all day and she needs attention. Sweet dreams. This stuff for one thing for my green smoothie. I put celery and cucumber and spinach, and I'll chop all of those up and put those in the freezer. And then what sweetens it up is banana, and then pineapple. That sweetens it up a lot. So it's just spinach, celery, cucumber, bananas, and pineapple. And sometimes I'll put like mango in there because that's really sweet too. But it's just a nice rejuvenating smoothie. Yeah, I got my fake tan. This isn't my favorite. This is really good. It used to be my favorite. Now I like the B-Tan brand, but they didn't have it here. And I'm out of face lotion. You guys probably know, if you know me, you know I use Pond's and Olay only just because I'm not about to spend crazy amounts of money on lotion, and they work very well. And I just needed an eyebrow pencil. This is Maybelline Brow Ultra Slim in black brown. Some eyelashes to just have around. These are just Kiss, super cheap, but they don't look too bad. And I just need hairspray. I've used this hairspray my whole life. This is my favoriteest deodorant from Trial and Error. Mitchum is the best men's deodorant always. Like, I would never use a woman's deodorant again. Last few things, this is a big thing. I haven't used this brand yet, so I'm really excited because I've heard of it. I'm done using, I used to use Playtex all the time, and I've heard these horror stories about how the chemicals in the scented tampons and stuff can make you infertile. They do all kinds of harmful things to your body. But I really don't want to be infertile, so I make sure to use pure cotton. Made with 100% organic cotton. Things like that I don't mind spending more on when it comes to keeping myself healthy. And my go-to mascara, Voluminous Original by L'Oreal, and it's just in black 305. Good, I mean, it's cheap, it's really good. Something I didn't need, well, I kind of do need clothes, but something I just saw and I really loved. They had them in so many colors, I wanted every color, because I love the style of these shirts. They're in the men's section, and they're naturally oversized, because this is a medium. I love my oversized t-shirts, so that's my haul. Watch some Netflix to relax and went to sleep. Like, comment, subscribe. Mwah.